Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step. Hello everybody. I really hope that you are good, healthy, and happy. Of course, everyone wants that. So, guys, to like my face is like oh. So, to celebrate our 500 subscribers here, I will do a magical I will try actually I will try a magical look, and to celebrate May also I will do a mermaid. I don't know if it's what is that, like I don't see anyone doing it. I don't know if it's only me, I'm not sure, but I don't see anyone doing a mermaid, because mermaid, my husband saw it on Instagram like mermaid blah blah blah, so it's like okay, I want to do that, and of course I'm gonna celebrate my 500 subscribers here. So I want to do my eyes and my face, and maybe I'm gonna do gills, whatever. So let's start. are back with our wig. Oh my goodness, I love this wig. It's like, did you like the overall look, guys? I love it. I have this lipstick from Jeffree Star, and the name is YSOTP. So this is the color. That's for our lips. And our wig is from Amazon, and I have unboxing with this, and also this one is from Amazon. So what do you think, guys? Did you like our look for our mermaid? And thank you everyone for supporting me. And we are 500 sub now, and thank you so much, and please keep on watching and always support my channel. And I'm gonna try to have beautiful, we're gonna have a beautiful colorful tutorials maybe in the future. I know Halloween is like I think 6 months from now, so no, 5 months I think. So we're gonna try, we'll see what challenge is gonna be next. So please, if you love what you see in my channel and our community, please like and subscribe, and always give me a thumbs up, share in your Facebook if you do have, so we're gonna have more people here. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom.